Hi, I'm Tom. I wanted just to talk a little bit about what's going on with these electrical discharges in the brain. First of all, where they occur is either very deep inside the brain, right in the middle, or sometimes they'll occur almost surface level. Sometimes I usually will have experienced them uh, like on the left side of the brain, almost surface level, but still deep, well deep. I've had one just recently where after it occurred, I kind of felt like it was like my head was soft afterwards. Then what happens then is like a large explosion of electricity in the brain that then travels down the spinal column, pretty much shakes everything, knocks me off balance if there isn't a wall or a chair or a couch or something like that that I can quickly grab myself, balance onto. I will fall. I've had friends who are in the medical industry and they'll observe it and they'll say, well, I would call that a seizure. My neurologist says it's not a seizure, it's some sort of a brain attack. He explains that he understands. He says he understands it is a brain attack, but they don't know what the mechanism of brain attacks are. They prescribe several anti-epileptic drugs for me. I'm taking zonisamide, oxcarbazepine, and tramadol for the pain. I have 24/7, 365 pain. Usually right after these shocks occur, I'll get an increase in that that creepy crawly ants feeling all over the face. Although I have that pretty much 24/7. That electrical crawling ant sensation that's all over the face that I have, like even right this exact moment right now. Some of my own personal remedies is that I go like that really hard. It will sometimes relieve the pressure, or I'll put a really high pressure point to the back of my head. Sometimes that will relieve the pressure. These things can occur randomly. They can occur mildly so that the symptoms will go away. After a short while, the symptoms are just that I need a lot of rest, I'm wiped out, or they can cause very permanent things. The very last one that occurred changed my speech a lot, and my cognition changed a lot too with the last one that occurred. My ability to resolve problems and things like that was really lowered. My ability to answer questions, things like that. I noticed all those things went really down badly with this last really severe one occurred a few months ago. Anyways, I'm hoping that maybe we can find a way to stop these electrical discharges. I know there's a lot of things that go on with a brain injury that you can't cure a brain injury, and that's fine, but I wish we could at least stop the electrical discharges. That would be wonderful, and that's why I'm writing in. Thank you.